Alright, video blog check everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech unboxing. And for this time, we are going to unbox and use, finally, a foldable smartphone from Honor Philippines. So this is the Honor Magic V3, the thinnest foldable smartphone in the world from Honor Philippines. Alright, now we got a chance to try this phone. Maraming salamat kay Honor Philippines for lending a review unit. Hindi ako fan ng mga foldable phones, but this is very interesting dahil it's the thinnest, pinakamanipis na smartphone in the world. Kahit i-fold mo siya or unfold, it's still the thinnest. Kung makita mo itong smartphone ko na Honor 90, pag ginanito mo yan, ito yung itsura niyan mamaya na nakatupi siya, na ganito siya kanipis. So hindi kamukha ng ibang smartphone na pag naka-fold, it's super kapal niya. So before we unbox this awesome Honor Magic V3, let me discuss to you the tech rundown of this foldable smartphone. Alright, let's do this. Alright, ito na yung tech specs ni Honor Magic V3 na nalift ko sa kanilang website at nakuha kong information from Honor Philippines. So for the display, meron siyang 7.92 inches na screen, na inner screen, at meron siyang 6.43 inches na outer screen. Yan. So, ito yung nasa loob ng phone pag unfold siya, at yung outer niya yung screen sa labas pag naka-fold ka. And this is both of the screens are OLED screen siya. For the inner screen, meron siyang 2344 by 2156 pixels video resolution. At for the outer screen, meron siyang 2376 by 1060p doon sa outer screen niya na pixels, no? At meron siyang 1 up to 120 Hz LTPO display. At for the unfolded phone version niya, meron siyang 3840 Hz PWM risk-free dimming technology. At pag naka-folded version siya, meron siyang 4320 Hz PWM risk-free dimming technology rin. At ito merong all-range, low-power LTPO eye comfort display. Ibig sabihin niyan, yung technology na nilagay ni Honor dito, hindi masakit sa mata yung screen niya. It's very comfortable. Unlike dati, may mga flicker problem tayo, pero ito, parang flicker-free na siya. At meron siyang 5,000 nits peak brightness at 1 Hz minimum refresh rate. Ba't sinabi nito 1 Hz, no? Minimum refresh rate. Ito yung na-check ko sa tech specs nila. I'm not sure kung typo ba to, ano. At meron siyang 1.07 billions of colors. Meron siyang DCU-P3 wide color gamut. At meron siyang gesture supported. Gesture para pwede control some of the functions ng phone using your hand. At more of the display tech specs is meron siyang eye comfort technology na AI defocus display na meron 4320 Hz, then PWM flicker-free dimming, dynamic dimming at circadian night display and nature tone display. So dami niyang technology sa kanyang screen, making sure na hindi siya masakit sa mata at yung kanyang color is very bright lang para sa ating mata. Also the brightness, no. At meron siyang certification, no. Meron siyang certification na TUV Rainland Full Care Display 3.0 certification. At meron din siyang isa pang TUV Rainland Circadian Friendly certification para circadian friendly, hindi masakit din sa mata pagka tawag dito pa low light yung condition ng inyong area. At meron siyang TUV Rainland Flicker Free certification. Yan yung mga inaantay nating tech specs sa screen na yung may flicker free dapat, no. At meron siya tinatawag na Honor Anti-Scratch Nano Crystal Shield, which is 10 times scratch resistance at 10 times drop resistance. Matibay yung screen ni Magic Honor V3 using this Nano Crystal Shield. At ito ay merong 5-star SGS rating at the screen can support a Honor Magic Pen. So kung merong Magic Pen yung inyong V3, Magic V3, you can operate it, write it, kahit mag-drawing, pwede na rin din. And for the body specs ni Honor Magic V3, this is the thinnest foldable phone na merong 92mm kumbaga thickness niya, kumbaga yung thickness niya when folded, that's 92mm. Tapos pagka naka-unfold siya, 4.25mm. software. Napakanipis, parang mga ganyan yan, parang ganyan. Pero kasi since foldable to, medyo dapat expect natin makapal, but si Honor nagawa na ng paraan na mas manipis siya compared doon sa ibang brands. So, for the body specs, meron siyang aerospace special fiber, which is the first mobile phones to have a may armor na merong aerospace grade fibers which enhance the impact resistance by 40 times and making the device light and solid in hand. Napakatibay niya yung kanyang body, so they call it the aerospace grade fiber. Ito ginagamit sa mga space shuttle yata, kaya na matibay siya. For the CPU tech specs, the Honor Magic V3, gumagamit siya na Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This is an octa-core CPU. For the GPU niya is Adreno 750. At for the another specs ng CPU niya, meron siyang RF enhanced chip na Honor C1 Plus. Dahil ito, it combines the algorithm and antenna, providing both software and hardware performance. So, parang I think dun sa kanyang CPU, meron siyang parang technology doon combining the algorithm at saka antenna, parang yung IDS, yung antenna structure niya, siya, hindi ko lang ma-explain mabuti, parang it is a better performance away from those other models na hindi ganito yung style niya. Kasi usually iba yung antenna nasa body. I guess baka ito nasa CPU na, yung pag in-explain niya, Well, I guess this is the combination of hardware and software. So, sabi dito, meron din siyang discrete security chip S1. Sabi dito, it combines a dual TEE security system, continually protecting your privacy. Hindi ko alam paano na ito magagawa, but I guess this is a software based doon sa kanyang CPU na added more protection for privacy. Tapos, kanyang OS, it's a Magic OS 8.0.1 based on Android 14. That's the OS, the Magic OS siya, 8.0.1. And for the memory, very interesting yung memory niya, Meron siyang 12GB of RAM plus a 12GB of Honor RAM Turbo, which is equals of 24GB of RAM, which is you can tinker the RAM Turbo, pwedeng additional 12 or additional 3 or 5 or 10, parang gano'n. Parang kung gusto mong isagad, pwede isagad yan, gawin nyo na yung 24GB para at least magamit nyo yung feature ng memory feature niya na mayroong Honor RAM Turbo. At for the storage, yung Magic V3, meron siyang 512GB of storage. Nga lang, walang information if this is expandable kung may micro SD card. Pero mamaya, checkin natin mamaya yung kanyang SD card slot, For the camera specs, ito yung camera specs niya, very interesting yung camera ni Honor Magic V3. Meron siyang triple rear camera, which is ang specs niya is 40 megapixel ultra-wide camera na may 2.2 aperture, at meron siyang additional na 50 megapixel wide camera na may 1.6 aperture na merong OIS, at isa pa yung kanyang third camera is a 50 megapixel telephoto lens camera na meron 3.0 aperture at meron din tong OIS. Combining these three, at yung tawag nilang parang may Falcon camera siya, which is yung talagang pang zoom niya is very, very good. So, kanyang resolution, video resolution is 3840 by 2160 pixels. At for the image resolution naman niya is 8192 by 6144 pixels. So, medyo malaki-laki din siya, which is means it can shoot 4K for sure. At meron siyang rear single LED flash. Meron siyang 100x digital zoom. Ito kinukwento ko sa inyo kanina na may Falcon camera siya, which is it can, zoom to the maximum level, which is magandang performance din niya, comparing it, if you have seen the Honor Magic 6, Magic 6 Pro. So, meron siyang EIS saka OIS. Meron siyang 4K video recording. At yung capture mode ng rear camera is meron siyang AI photography, super wide angle, aperture, midnight portrait mode, photo pro mode, video, panorama, filter, may watermark din siya, scan document, super macro, capture smiles, may time-lapse, timer, movie, slow-mo, and story. So that's the rear camera. For the front camera naman, meron siyang 20 megapixel. Yung front camera, this is a dual camera sa front niya. So, dalawang camera sa front. It's a 20 megapixel wide camera na may 2.2 interior. Hindi pala, ang ibig sabihin pala nito, yung front camera niya, sorry yung front camera niya, meron siyang front camera pag naka-fold at meron siyang front camera pag unfolded. So yung interior screen, yung pag naka-fold siya, unfolded siya, nakabuka, 20 megapixel ang wide camera, 2.2 aperture. At pag naka-fold siya, yung isang front camera na gamitin mo, 20 megapixel din siya na wide camera na 2.2 aperture. So dalawa yung front camera niya. So video resolution is 3840 by 2160 pixels. Sa image resolution naman niya is 5120 by 3840 pixels. So the front camera can shoot up to 4K video. So ang capture mode niya is portrait, filter, watermark, capture smiles, mirror reflection, timer, night, gesture, and control. Timer, night, at gesture control. So yung gesture control niya isa sa front camera lang talaga. If you're going to take a selfie, yung gagano mo yung kamay mo, di ba, for example. For the battery specs, ni Honor Magic V3, the battery specs is 5,150 milliampere battery na meron 66 watts Honor Supercharge at meron siyang 50 watts wireless Honor Supercharge. So you can charge this wired or wireless. Pwede. Well, 50 watts is very fast na rin din for a wireless charging. Maganda yung specs na nilagay nyo dito. So ang guarantee dito is meron kang 3-day battery life. I think pag ginagamit mo ito, standby for example, at 40% charge niya in 15 minutes. So mabilis yung kanyang charging if you're going to use the original charging brick tsaka yung cable ni Honor Magic V3. For the other specs ni Honor Magic V3, ito ay dual nano SIM. At yung second SIM card slot niya is pwede ka maglagay ng, gawin siyang eSIM pala yung second card niya. Tapos this is 5G ready. May Wi-Fi na rin din siya, 2.4 GHz at 5 GHz na Wi-Fi. OTG ready. Meron siyang Bluetooth 5.3. Meron siyang PC data sync feature. Meron siyang infrared remote control. Fingerprint sensor. Siyempre, meron din siyang facial recognition na rin din. Meron siyang NFC. At for the sound effect niya, for the sounds, may natatawag na DTS X Ultra. I think this is a speaker niya, no? Meron siyang stereo amplifier feature, which is maganda yung kanyang sound system, no? Sa phone, no? At very interesting, this is an IPX8 water and dust resistant. It means that pwede mo siyang isubmerge sa water na 2.5 meters. So, it can still survive on that depth, no, sa water depth, no. Pero syempre, wag mo siyang ilulublog palagi. So mga accidental drop or accidental submerge lang pwede yun, no. At gumagamit siya ng USB Type-C port. At for the ear jack, wala siyang ear jack na 3.5mm ear jack. Ang gumagamit siya dito yung ear jack na USB Type-C port. So ayun. Also, si Honor Magic V3 is featuring the Honor AI built with Google Cloud AI. Ito yung pinagmamalaki ni Honor ngayon. So, meron siyang AI face-to-face translation, which is you can communicate with a foreigner with a different language. At si Honor Magic V3 can translate in real time. Pwede kayo mag-usap na with a subtitle dun sa phone mo at mababasa sa kabilang side yung inyong kausap na ibang language. So, meron siyang AI erase tool na rin din. AI optimized eyes closed. It means that pag nag-group pic kayo or nag-picture kayo, yung isang kasama nyo nakapikit, well, AI correct nila yon na nakabukas yung mata niya, which is very freaky, no? At meron siyang AI camera with motion sensing feature. For example, ito yung camera na if magalaw yung subject mo, no, the camera will capture the best picture na hindi medyo awkward na movement, no? Nakaganon ka, pero hindi naman pala. So, the camera will correct it. Alisin niya yun. Or maybe, mag-take siya ng multiple picture. Choose the best one, no? Baka ganun ginagawa niya kanyang AI. Ano pa ba? At meron siyang AI Professional Portrait with Harcourt Studio. Ito yung pinaka-paborito namin, no? Since the Honor 200 model. Ngayon, meron din siya na Harcourt Studio kay Honor Magic V3, which you can produce beautiful shot in portrait mode, in parang black and white, and also in parang beauty mode style na portrait na napakaganda, parang naka 50mm in using this camera. At parang nasa studio, no? Inspired from the Harcourt Studio in Paris. At meron siyang AI Magic Capsule, which is very helpful for the notification and also controlling some of the playback ng inyong music or in your videos. At meron siyang AI Shopping. AI Shopping, it means that using the Google Cloud AI, magda-drag ka ng image or text doon sa Google, and it automatically will search to your like Lazada, Amazon, shopping na for example. AI search, ganun din. You can drag text and image to Google para makapag-search siya. Meron siyang AI travel or locate, ganun din. AI drag to note, so yung mag-drag ka ng any text or image to your notes, matatransfer na rin siya. Meron siyang AI air gesture at Honor Connect. Itong Honor Connect technology niya, it can connect the Magic V3 phone to another Honor laptop or tablets. Parang this is the version of Honor's smart collaboration niya, no, with another device. You can control your phone using your laptop or tablet. Iko-connect mo lang siya. For the body color of the Honor Magic V3, 3 colors siya. Meron siyang green, reddish brown, and black. And I got the color of black. Black yung nakuha ko. 512 GB of storage. Dual SIM nakalagay dito. Okay, for the SRP, launching ng phone na ito ni Honor Magic V3 this November 20. So, abangan nyo sa aking YouTube channel. Yung SRP is nandito sa title screen natin. Naka-announce na rin siya. If you're interested to pre-order, visit the Honor Facebook page for information. Also, any store in the Philippines, para kung gusto nyo mag-pre-order. I'm for sure marami itong freebies. Hindi pa lang nasabi ni Honor as of now yung SRP nito, and also whatever promotion nila offer. Malamang home credit meron to, no? So, abangan ninyo sa social media post ko, and also this title ng video na to for the SRP price. So, ayan. Alright, so na-discuss na natin yung tech specs ni Honor Magic V3. Ito yung pinakang-exciting na. Mag-unbox tayo, and we're going to use this in our daily basis. I'm excited to, i-flex natin yung phone natin na foldable. At saka, magugustuhan ko ba yung fold phone na ito, no? I've tried several other brands, but happy naman ako, but I'm very interested to try this because this is the thinnest foldable smartphone in the world. Alright? So, alright, ano pang ginagawa natin? Unboxan natin to, and let's do this. Alright guys, this is the Honor Magic V3 smartphone from Honor Philippines. So, ito yung the first world thinnest foldable smartphone. So this is the box. So napakalaki ng kanyang box, no? So yung kanilang speaker tech DTS:X, ayan, some information about the phone, black color, 512 GB of storage, saka 12 GB of RAM. So ito yung box niya. Naka-plastic to, tinanggal ko na para at least ma-unbox natin. And ito yung itsura niyan. So ito yung itsura ng box. So ito siya, nakaganyan, parang may magnet. Open mo siyang ganon, and vavavoom. Merong note, this device is a foldable phone with a flexible display. Take note of the following. Do not remove the interior screen protector filmed by yourself. So, bawal. Do not press the interior screen with sharp object. Okay. Do not press the interior screen front camera area. Keep your phone away from devices that are sensitive to magnet. Avoid absorbing. Okay. So, delikado mga magnet, no? You may notice like creases at the center of the interior screen or slight sounds during folding and unfolding. This is a normal daw na ganong feature niya. So this phone contains precision component. Please avoid exposing it to liquid, sand, or dust. So ayan yung mga notes. Kahit sabi mo IPX8 siya, still, we need to take care of this thing. So mayroon siya nakalagay ditong magnet. Ano yung ba't gano'n? Nakalagay puro magnet. So, tanggalin na natin to, no, para makita natin. Ito pala yung, yung label niya. So, thank you, Honor, for this. Sana bigay nyo na lang sa akin to. And para makapag-transfer na tayo ng ating lifestyle using foldable phone. So, eto siya. Grabe, no? Grabe. So, dito pala makikita nyo yung sizing niya, no? So, this is my Honor 90. And this is the folded version. Parang magkasinlaki lang sila. Magkasinlaki lang sila. Oh, magkasinlaki lang sila. Medyo makapal ng konti lang si Kasi ito medyo manipis na rin din to eh. Pero if we're going to compare this with other phone, makikita mo magkasinlaki lang sila ng konti. And still, I can't believe na ito ay foldable. Diba? Naka-fold. Kasi may iba makapal pag naka-fold eh. So ito yung itsura niyan. Pagdating dito, mas manipis pa rin yung mas manipis na yung ano, yung Magic V3 compared to my Honor 90. Ayan. Pero syempre, pag naka-fold, konting difference lang. Konting difference lang. Parang almost the same din yung size niya, no? Oo nga. Magkasing size na siya. Pero pag naka-unfold, mas manipis pa rin, mas manipis na yung Honor Magic V3. So, okay. I-ano natin to. Mamaya we're going to set this at para magamit na rin din natin. So, what else inside the box? Ito yung kanyang box. Para I guess itong box may magnet yata. Ano? So, ito yung kanyang laman. So, this box contains a... Ano kaya ito? Ito yung kanyang cable. USB-C cable. At ito, syempre, yung ano pa lang niya, yung logo niya, it's a charging brick. Ayun, tatluhan siya. So, ito yung 66 watts. So, pinaka-importante ito para ma-charge yung inyong phone. And this one is, I guess, the manual. At saka yung kanyang cute-cute na na SIM tray pin. Very cute. Ganda, may bilog. At ano pa ba? Manual and casing. Yeah, this is the manual. And this one is talagang may casing talaga siya, no? Check nga natin kung ano itsura ng casing niya. Ayokong gamitin na may casing eh. Talagang ganun talaga yung casing niya. Ngayon lang ako makakakita ng ganito. Okay. So, dalawang casing siya. This is the casing at saka parang meron siyang parang bracket to protect the phone, no? So I guess we need to install this mamaya, no? Para maganda yung performance. Meron siyang parang protection, no? Ano to? Para saan to? Parang meron siyang clip. Ano to? Hindi ko alam kung ano to, ba't gano'n yung style niya. Okay, anyway. So, ayun yung makukuha nyo if you open the box. You get the casing, the bracket, charging brick, USB-C cable, at manual niya. So ayan, let's buting-ting everything para alis maano na natin to, ma-set up na natin to magandang phone na Honor Magic V3. Alright, let's do this. Alright, ito na yung phone. So let's inspect natin. No? So pag naka-fold siya, ganito yung itsura niya. It's like a normal phone. No? So you can see here yung parang shape ng kanyang camera, rear camera. It's parang yung parang 2 piso na phone na diagonal yung niya. Yung shape niya hindi bilog. And makikita mo yung laki ng camera niya. That's the rear camera. Napakalaki. Kitang-kita mo dito, ibang-iba yung niya. So that's the I guess the 40 megapixel yung Falcon camera, tsaka dalawang 50 megapixel. So 40, 50, 50 siya yung kanya megapixel. At meron siyang LED flash. So sa ibabaw niya, sa ibabaw, yung front camera niya na 20 megapixel. Ayan. So sa top is may speaker grill, may microphone. I guess that's a microphone. Sa left side is yung hinge niya for the folding feature. Sa ilalim yung microphone, USB Type-C, another microphone, at speaker grill. So, merong speaker dito sa taas, merong speaker dito sa baba. Sa right side, it's iba yung style niya, no? Merong volume siya dito. Di pala volume. Ito yung volume niya sa taas. Dalawa. Ito yung kanyang power button. I'm not sure kung meron siyang meron siyang fingerprint scan. Pero feeling ko baka nasa screen. So, ang mangyari ito pagka unfold mo to, humihiwalay siya, no? Yung volume nasa kabilang screen, yung power button nasa kabilang screen. So, pag pinold mo siyang gano'n, para siyang isang phone lang, no? Medyo malilito ka lang kasi yung power button nasa kabilang side. So, ibababa mo ng konti. So, pag yung memory ng hindi ka malilito na pag ginagano, ba't wala yung power button? Yung pala sa kabilang side pala. Kasi dalawang phone nga to na pinagtupi eh. So, pagka unfold natin to, ito yung itsura niya. Yan, medyo mahaba, no? So, di ba meron siyang front camera dito, no? Pag unfold siya, may isa pa siyang front camera. So, dalawa yung kanyang front camera. Sa loob, isa rin sa labas. Ayan. So, pareho siyang 20 megapixel. So makita mo yung sinabi kanina no, na normal lang daw na parang magkaroon ng parang some sort of crease dito pagka merong folding effect siya, which is very normal. Pero maganda rito no, hindi ganun katambok yung ano niya, yung kumbaga yung marka ng hinge niya no. So makita mo dito. Pero sabi nila pinatibay daw nila, mas matibay daw at hindi siya gano'n mabigat. Yun yung kinagandahan kay Honor Magic V3. Because of the hinge, hindi siya mabigat. Compared to other models na try ko, medyo meron siyang bigat ng konti. So, I guess, ito na. Ito, punasan natin ito para mawala ito mamaya. No? May nakikita kasi, wait lang. Ayan, napunasan ko na. Setup na natin to, no? I-fold ko na lang siyang ganito kasi mas sanay tayo sa ganitong style. So, on na natin to. On na natin. Sana meron siyang charge. Ayan, nag-vibrate na and welcome to Honor. Ito mas bilang by Honor 90. Pero na ganun talaga yung kanyang logo style niya. Sana ginawa nila parang may animation effect sa no, to make it very, very special na Honor Magic V3. Ito yung kanyang animation. Magic OS. Alright. Zoom natin ng konti para makita niyo. Ayan. So, setup natin to English. Region is Philippines. Next natin. Click lang natin yan. I agree. Wala tayong SIM card, pero kung add eSIM din, pwede rin din. So, skip natin to. So, we're going to connect to Midas Hotel kasi naka Midas Hotel tayo. So, let's connect to the Wi-Fi ni Midas na wala ng password. Very good. Click natin next. Checking for updates. So, meron tayong a half charge. Siguro 50% to, no? Na factory charge dun sa phone. So, mamaya after this setup, no, i-ano natin to charge natin. So, copy absent data, don't copy. Checking info tayo. Alright, antayin natin yan. So, usually dapat din na ako mag-setup ng ganito. Pero syempre, dito na tayo, papakita ko na sa inyo. So, I'll just enter now my Google account. So, wait lang guys, setup ko lang to. Alright, na-setup ko na yung aking Google account. Importante yan na to set up your Google account. Backup device. Ayoko siya mag-backup ng aking Google Drive is puno na. So, Google Assistant. Maganda, napakabilis yung kanyang setup, no? Compared to the mga basics phones ni Honor, medyo matagal. Pero ito talaga, ang bilis niya. Kasi yung processor niya, maganda eh. So, quick login. Actually, hindi ko maalala yung aking turning on Bluetooth. So, on natin to. So, I guess, kailangan ko maghanap ng ibang phone. For example, my phone, try natin tong bagong style nila, no? To have a quick login. Paano ba to? I-on ko muna itong Bluetooth na ito, no? Parang tagal na ito maseta. Yun. Bluetooth. Tapos, ngayon ko na ito gagawin, ha? Ayan. Ayan, galing, oh. Connect the Magic V3, connect login. Okay. Okay, ano ko yung QR code. Oh, yung galing! So, hindi ko na kailangan mag-login ng password, no? Siyempre, nakita niyo yung, no, yung QR code, no? Pero I guess, di naman kayo makakapag-login yan. Takpan ko na lang yung video mamaya. So, Honor Magic V3 is logging into Honor ID. Please keep the two device close. So, yun nga lang, medyo matagal siya. Ayun, okay na. Sabi sa aking Honor 90, Magic V3 has logged into Honor ID. So, naka-login na tayo. Uy, ang ganda na lang. Ngayon lang ako naka-experience ng ganun. Galing. Natuwa ako dun. Natuwa ako sa bagong feature na yun na Bluetooth na lang tapos hindi mo na kailangan mag-login if you have an existing smartphone na Honor, no? So, first, set up muna tayo ng password. PIN code tayo. The 6 PIN code. So, wait lang, guys. So, okay na ano ko na yung password. Let's go to fingerprint. Ayan. So, mag-unlock muna tayo ulit. So, okay na, no? So, add your fingerprint recognition. Saan kaya siya? Dito! Saan siya? Yung power button niya. Tama ba? Yung power button niya, it's the fingerprint scan. Pero yung power button niya, kasi na button talaga siya. Hindi siya yung parang lubog lang. Ang galing! Tama. Tama. It's a power button. Yung kanyang fingerprint recognition. Ang galing, ha? Hindi ako nakita ng ganun na yung power button talaga. Usually, pagka yung ibang may fingerprint scan, lubog yung power button niya. So, okay na. It's protected by security chip. Okay, sa kanyang Snapdragon. No? So, okay lang. Tayo ng facial recognition. Wait lang. And here we go for the facial recognition, enable raise to awake. And this is my face. Ang bilis, grabe. Set up na, ayan o, protected by chip. Enable natin yung kahit naka-face mask tayo, may scan pa rin yung mukha natin. Ang bilis Enable all services, join natin yan, enable location. For the system navigation, parang gesture, pero I like the 3 keys pa rin din. Sorry, old school tayo. Mas mabilis ako mag-operate pag yung 3 keys. Oh, grabe, ang ganda ng Honor Magic V3. Software update, let's click download and install. So nag-update to, so may experience tayo ng konting sluggishness pag nag-operate. So this is the Honor Magic V3 and this is my Honor 90 5G phone. So pag nakita mo, no, magkasing size lang silang dalawa. Magkasing size, well, mas makapal ng konti si V3, no, compare no sa 90 kasi syempre manipis to. Pero pag open mo to, ayan, no, mas manipis na si V3 kaysa sa kay 90. So, dito, pakita ko lang sa inyo no, yung paano yung style ng phone niya, no. So, yun na-navigate na muna. Ay, grabe, ang ganda ng ano niya. Ang bilis. Grabe, ang ganda. Wow. So, meron pa siyang pag-ano, sa gagarit. So, okay, tinuruan pa tayo, no. Grabe, ang ganda. Tsaka yung color ng screen niya, ibang-iba talaga, oh. So, check natin yung settings. Let's go to the about the phone. It's a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, 512GB of RAM. Ito yung nakalagay, RAM Turbo. 12GB of RAM tsaka 12GB of RAM Turbo. Pero naka-fix na pala. So, hindi mo siya matitingger pala. Naka-fix na pala siya. So, ito siya. So, ito yung itsura niya pagka naka-fold. Ito yung itsura niya pag naka-unfold. Wow, grabe. Ano to? Jupiter ba to? Saturn itong nakikita natin. Grabe, ang ganda ng phone niya. Tsaka, compared to other models na try ko, no, hindi siya ganun kalaki. Tama lang yung size niya. At sobrang nipis hawakan. Napakagaan. At yung parang proportion niya, no, hindi ganun ka-weird. No? So, nga lang, very challenging lang if you're going to take photos. Kasi, sanay tayo mag-take ng photos ng pagganito. Ayan, i-on ko muna itong location app natin. So, this is my beauty mode. Okay tayo. So, this is the front camera. Ito yung front camera. No? So, ito yung rear camera niya. No? Front camera. Pag in-open ko to, open natin. Medyo nga lang, may challenging siya. No? Ito yung tsura niya. No? Yung ratio ng picture, medyo square-ish ng konti. Pero maganda, no? Yung front camera niya, no? may 0.x wide na rin din siya, and also the other phone, yung outer phone niya is meron din siyang 0.8x na wide, which is pinaka-importante sa akin to. Kahit sa video, may 0.x na rin din siya. So ito siya, we're shooting at 1080p 30 fps. Yan, makikita mo yan dyan. Pero pagka doon sa kabila naman, sa fold, ganun din. Mas maganda lang yung style niya compared to photo, medyo mas wider siya. Ito para nakatayo pa rin din. Kaya pwede mo siyang gawin ganito rin. Ayan. Gusto mong pa-portrait style niya. No? Kasi pwede kang mag-shoot ng video na nakaganito. Kaganito. Ayan, ganyan. Hindi ko lang alam, no, if I'm going, kung pwede siyang mag-shoot ako ng photo ng pagganito. Pwede. Pwede ako mag-vlog ng nakaganito. Oh my God, ang galing. Oh, hello. Galing. Excited na ako to try this, no? So, check natin yung video. Grabe, all different kinds of style, no? Ginagawa natin. So, ito yung video niya. Hello, guys. We're recording. At maganda rito, meron siyang noise reduction. Pag in-on natin to, yung noise dito sa room mawawala at yung voice ko lang yung marinig. So, makikita mo yung difference siya with the noise reduction on. At ito naman yung voice ko without the noise reduction. Alright, pakinggan natin siya. Ito siya. Okay, pakinggan natin. Volume. We're recording. At maganda rito, meron siyang noise reduction. Pag in-on natin to, yung noise dito sa room mawawala at yung voice ko lang yung marinig. So makikita mo yung difference siya with the noise reduction on. At ito naman yung voice ko without the noise reduction. Alright, pakinggan natin. Okay. Parang walang difference kasi medyo tahimik dito eh, no? Walang difference kasi ganun din yung style niya. For the rear camera naman, kasi rear camera, no? So, we're shooting at 1x. So, this is the 0.7x. This is a 2x, 4x. Wala tayong magandang example na no? So, na lang, yung wall na lang. Oh, grabe yung wall to, oh. Hindi ko alam yung wall is parang medyo 5. Oh, grabe, parang nagmamagnify siya. Oh, ito mo naman, this is 10x sa video. Pero I'm going to use the photo. So, photo is, this is the 1x. This is the 0.6x. This is a 2x. This is a 3.5x. Grabe naman magnified, no? Gawin natin siyang 100. Hindi naman masyadong over naman yan. Pero syempre, ito yung ginagawa natin. That's 32 point. Medyo iba na yung style niya. I guess we're going to do a sample. Labas tayo ng konti. Japan Embassy labas natin eh. But may mga building ito try natin. Oh, wait lang. Okay, for the video, no, this is the 1x. So this is the 0.7x. The 2x, 4x, zoom natin ng konti hanggang 10x lang siya. Which is very nice na rin din. Pwede tayo mag-screen cap. Ayan. We have 2 shots. So okay na rin din for, maganda yung video niya for the 10x, no? Sobrang lapit na, grabe. Okay na rin to pang concert. So ito yung sample natin. So nakapag ano na tayo, no? Nakapag-test, no? By the way, hanapin pa natin yung SIM tray pala. Yung SIM tray natin is here sa bottom, no? Hindi pala microphone yung tinuro ko kanina. That's the SIM tray. Open natin para malaman natin. Ito, natanggal ko na siya. And boom! Tama, it's a dual nano SIM pero wala siyang slot for the micro SD card slot. So hindi siya expandable. So you're stuck with 512 GB. Pero malaki na rin 512 GB. So okay na rin din 'yun. So ayun siya. So that's it, the Honor Magic V3. At magte-test pa tayo ng maraming this will be a 2 weeks or 3 weeks journey to use this. At let's try photography, let's try video, let's try gaming. Ano ba magiging benefit nito if you're a foldable smartphone user. Pero ang ganda niya kasi sobrang nipis. Hindi siya sobrang bulky sa bulsa kasi it's like the normal phone. Normal phone lang yung itsura niya, no? Pero magugulat ka kasi pwede mo siyang i-fold na ito and you can browse the internet. For example, I go to my YouTube channel. Ito siya. Tayo. Saan ba yung aking videos? Ayan. You can watch videos like this. Very wide siya. Pero for the speaker niya, no? Ang ganda ng speaker niya, malakas. So, ito yung style niya. Parang ang naka-monitor sa bahay. Pero can I full screen? Pag full screen, ganito lang siya. Parang 16:9. That's not my video. Ito yung video ko talaga. Ayan. 16:9 na may parang malaking letterbox. Ayan. Diba? Galing, no? Pwede mo siyang i-gantuhin to get the phone version size. Diba? Pero syempre, kung gusto ko malaki yung screen, ganito na lang ako. Ayan, para mas malaki. Diba? So, that's it guys for the Honor Magic V3. Natapos na rin yung ating unboxing. Sana nagustuhan niyo yung ating test na rin din ng camera and also the tech rundown. So, I'll see you after November 20 kasi launching nito mamaya. Actually, today is November 20. Mamaya na yung launching niya. So, abangin niyo yung aking title screen for the SRP price. So, alright. So, thank you guys for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright. Thank you so much, Honor Philippines, for this. At sana akin na lang to para palit na ako ng phone. Alright.